Hook, in the darkest corners of our world, creatures exist that defy belief, twisting our understanding of fear. Not just predators, but beings with abilities so bizarre, so unsettling, they seem ripped from a nightmare. Imagine a fish swimming up your urethra, a snail whose touch means instant death, or a bird whose appearance chills you to the bone. These are just the beginning. We'll dive into the most terrifying animals on Earth. Stay until the end because the final case, case number 13, will make you question the very concept of free will. Intro context. Since humanity's dawn, fear has been a fundamental survival mechanism, warning us of danger and sharpening our senses. But what if the source of that fear isn't a roaring lion, but something far more insidious, playing on our deepest anxieties? Today, we're not just discussing dangerous animals. We're exploring those that inspire profound dread, creatures pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From microscopic horrors to colossal predators, these beings have evolved strategies so effective, so unsettling, they've earned their place in our nightmares. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some fears aren't just instinctive, but a testament to evolution's truly bizarre and terrifying ingenuity. The invisible sting, box jellyfish. Our journey into fear begins with an invisible killer, the box jellyfish. This translucent Indo-Pacific predator is Earth's most venomous animal. Its sting delivers potent toxins causing immediate cardiac arrest, paralysis, and excruciating pain. Victims often drown or die from heart failure within minutes. Its terror isn't just lethality, but its ethereal presence, drifting silently, an unseen architect of death. You don't see it until it's too late, a ghost turning a beautiful swim into a final, agonizing struggle. Its speed and potency are unmatched. The intimate invader, Candiru fish. From vast oceans to Amazon's murky rivers, we encounter a creature preying on intimate fear, the Candiru fish. This tiny, parasitic catfish, no larger than a toothpick, is infamous for allegedly swimming into human orifices. Documented cases exist. Its backward-pointing spines make extraction excruciatingly difficult, often requiring surgery. The terror isn't just physical pain, but the violation and internal horror. Smallest threats can evoke the greatest dread. The sheer thought of this tiny, unseen invader is enough to make anyone squirm. Beauty's deadly embrace, Cone Snail. Next, something deceptively beautiful yet utterly lethal, the Cone Snail. These marine gastropods with exquisite shells are coveted by collectors, but picking one up could be your last mistake. Cone snails are expert hunters, using a harpoon-like tooth to inject complex neurotoxins. A single sting can paralyze prey instantly, and for humans, lead to respiratory failure, coma, and even death with no known antidote. Imagine admiring a stunning shell, only for it to deliver a silent, swift, agonizing end. Beauty can be the most dangerous disguise. But how do these creatures develop such specific, potent poisons? The answers will truly surprise you. Africa's unpredictable giant, Hippopotamus. Leaving the aquatic realm for Africa's formidable rivers, we encounter an animal whose placid appearance belies its deadly nature, the hippopotamus. Often seen lounging, hippos are among Africa's most dangerous, responsible for more human fatalities than lions, leopards, and rhinos combined. These colossal herbivores are fiercely territorial and incredibly aggressive, especially when protecting young. They charge at 30 km/h on land and possess massive jaws capable of snapping a small boat. Their unpredictable nature makes any encounter terrifying. It's the ultimate subversion of expectation, transforming into a rampaging engine of destruction. The ancient predator, Komodo Dragon. Our journey continues to Indonesia's remote islands, home to a living relic, the Komodo Dragon. These apex predators, Earth's largest lizards, inspire primal fear with immense size, powerful claws, and devastating bite. Modern research confirms they possess venom glands, delivering toxins that prevent clotting, induce shock, and cause paralysis. A single bite can be a death sentence, as prey slowly succumbs. Watching a Komodo dragon hunt, with its powerful, ancient movements and relentless pursuit, is like witnessing a prehistoric nightmare brought to life, a stark reminder of nature's brutal efficiency. Lightning in scales, Black Mamba. From ancient giants, we slither into the swift, silent terror of the Black Mamba. One of the world's deadliest snakes, its fearsome reputation comes from incredible speed, aggressive temperament, and potent, fast-acting neurotoxic venom. Striking multiple times, it delivers enough venom to kill a dozen men, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within hours if untreated. Unlike many snakes, the Black Mamba stands its ground, making encounters truly terrifying. It's a blur of lethal precision. But what if the most terrifying threats aren't about venom or teeth, but something far more insidious, affecting your very mind? Keep watching, because the next creatures will challenge your definition of fear. River's razor mouth, Goliath Tigerfish. Diving back into the water, specifically the Congo River basin, we encounter a freshwater terror, the Goliath Tigerfish. This formidable predator, reaching lengths over 5 feet, is a true nightmare of the deep. Its mouth is armed with 32 razor-sharp, interlocking teeth, tearing through flesh with ease. It's an ambush predator, striking with explosive force at anything that strays too close. Local legends speak of its ferocity. The image of those massive, interlocking teeth emerging from the depths sends shivers down anyone's spine, a primal warning from the river's heart. The haunting gaze, Potoo Bird. Next, we look to the trees for a creature whose appearance and calls are unsettling, the Potoo Bird. Found in Central and South America, these nocturnal birds are masters of camouflage, blending perfectly with tree stumps. But when they open their enormous, yellow eyes in the dark, they present an almost alien, haunting visage. Their calls, especially the great Potoo's mournful, "Pour me one" cry, are profoundly eerie. It plays on our ancient fear of the unknown, things that watch from shadows, blending seamlessly. The Potoo Bird is less about physical threat, more about deep psychological unease. Multi-legged horror, Giant Centipede. From unsettling to horrifying, we encounter the Amazonian Giant Centipede, Scolopendra gigantea. This multi-legged monstrosity can grow up to a foot long, with dozens of segmented legs moving in a mesmerizing, terrifying wave. It's a venomous predator that hunts a variety of prey, including insects, lizards, frogs, and even bats. Its bite delivers a painful, potent venom, causing intense pain and swelling, though rarely fatal to humans. The sheer alienness of its appearance, its speed, and ability to crawl into unexpected places evoke profound revulsion and fear, a creature straight out of a primal nightmare. Swarming death, Africanized honey bees. Our penultimate terrifying creature brings a collective, overwhelming threat, Africanized honey bees, killer bees. These aren't average honey bees. They are a hybrid strain renowned for extreme defensiveness and aggression. While their individual sting is no more potent, their danger lies in numbers. Easily provoked, they attack in massive swarms, pursuing threats for far greater distances. Hundreds, even thousands of stings can quickly overwhelm a victim, leading to anaphylactic shock and death. The fear isn't just a single sting, but being engulfed by a relentless, buzzing cloud of fury. But what if the most terrifying animal isn't an animal at all, but something that controls them, turning them into puppets of a hidden horror? The final case will haunt your thoughts long after this video ends. Climax, the Zombie-Ant Fungus. We've seen creatures that kill with venom, teeth, power, and numbers. But what if the ultimate fears animal isn't an animal, but a microscopic entity that completely hijacks another living being's will? Our final and most chilling case is the Ophiocordyceps unilateralis *, the Zombie-Ant Fungus. This isn't science fiction, it's a terrifying reality in rainforests. When an ant is infected, fungal spores grow inside it, consuming non-vital tissues. Here's the horror. The fungus takes control of the ant's mind. It compels the ant to leave its colony, climb to a specific height, and clamp its mandibles onto a leaf vein, the death grip. Once locked, the ant dies, and a fungal stalk erupts from its head, releasing spores. The ant is a puppet, its body a vessel, its will entirely overwritten. It's a perfect, horrifying example of parasitic mind control, turning a creature into a biological drone. This isn't just physical fear, it's the profound, existential dread of losing control over your own body, your own mind. The Ophiocordyceps fungus represents a fear deeper than any predator, losing yourself to an unseen, insidious force, making it, in a twisted way, the most terrifying animal on Earth. It's a real-life horror story, playing out silently, constantly, a chilling reminder of the intricate and terrifying battles for survival and control in nature. Call to action. From unseen terrors of the deep to the mind-bending control of a parasitic fungus, Our world is full of creatures that embody our deepest fears and challenge our understanding of life. If you were captivated by these incredible stories, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our planet. Thanks for watching.